Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2009 Jeep Compass and I will show you which fuses to check and their location in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video applies to first generation of Jeep Compass, which were made from 2007 all the way up to 2015. The fuse box on Jeep Compass is located under the front hood. So it's right here. Now to open it up, you just have to lift on these two clips. And then on the back side you have a nice fuse diagram which can show you the location of each fuse, and pretty much for in case your radio is not powering up, you want to check the fuse number 20, and the fuse number 20 is this one here, the blue 15 amp fuse. And in case there is no sound coming from your speakers, you want to check the amplifier fuse, which is a fuse number 19, this one here. So that would be the yellow one, 20 amp fuse right here. So you want to check these two fuses, this yellow one and this blue one. And hopefully if one of these is burnt, that will fix your radio issues. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.